Hey beautiful people, I'm Bisola from the Sephora squad and I am based out of Washington DC. So today's look is going to be a simple but glam look for the holidays. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So my first step is going to be the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I just go ahead and do 3 little dots and I use my ring finger anytime I'm close to my eye and I just dab all over. I love using this eyeshadow primer because I have really oily lids and it keeps my eyeshadow saturation color really nice and bright and it doesn't crease at all whatsoever. So I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Nude Rich. So for my first shadow, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And it's like a brown pink color. So I'm just going to blend inwards. And I like doing this, I call it directional blending. So your placement is on your eyelid purposefully. And then I go back out. I am using the Sephora collection brush number 27. It's very nice and soft and it diffuses your eyeshadow. And I like applying my eyeshadow like this, especially a transition color, because your eyeshadow is not all over the place. For my next color, I'm going to use this. And this is a very nice gold pinky color. I'm going to actually use my ring finger and place it on because I don't want any fallout at all whatsoever. I think this eye color or this shimmer color is really good for all the holiday parties you'll be attending. It's a good alternative to glitter if you're not comfortable with that. It's okay if you get a little messy. We can go back in with our blending brush and blend them together. So back in with the color I used the first time, this nice pink brown color. I'm just going to blend it in again. And if you want to add more saturation like I do, you can just go back in. You can either wet a brush or continue using your finger. So I'm gonna go in with this nice brown color and I'm just going to slowly blend it towards my inner corner. And I'm taking it a little higher because I have hooded lids. So I like my eyeshadows to appear higher on my lids so you can still see some drama. So if you're not comfortable like making this a little more dramatic like I am right now, you can just skip this step. Going back in with my number 27 brush, I'm going to blend the first shadow that I used with the crease shadow that I just used and blend them together. So next, I'm gonna go into my liner and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. So I'm going to apply my liner medium style, not too thin, not too thick. And in order for me to not get shaky hands or shaky fingers, I'm going to rest my pinky finger on my cheek and then just slowly draw the line. So as you can see, there's a little oomph in the difference between the eyes. And I didn't want to do a wing because we already have this little drama here. And I'm going to do the next eye. I didn't do it too thick because I have hooded lids. If I do, you won't be able to see that pretty color we have on the lids. So my next step is going to be mascara. And this is Lancome Monsieur Big. So I really love this mascara because my lashes, they're nice and they're a little curly, but they're not too long. And they give me the right amount of volume and length that I love for my natural lashes, especially when I know I'm not going to wear any falsies. I like the way it looks. And as you can see, there's already a little lift happening here, a little volume and a little length compared to my other eye. So quick tip is I always grab my lashes with the comb, go all the way to the base, wiggle up. It catches all of your lashes without having to make it look clumpy. So I am going to go back with this color with my number 11 brush, and it's also Sephora collection, and I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line. We're actually going to wing it out because we're going to be attending all these holiday parties and we want to look as glam as possible. And I really like this smudge brush because it's short, and when you're applying shadow, it doesn't get all in your eye because my eyes are sensitive. And now that we've winged out the shadow, we can kind of just brush it in. You don't always have to wing out your eyeliner to get the illusion of a winged eyeliner. So for my next step, nothing says holiday to me more than red lipstick, especially on other people. For me, red is my nude. It's an everyday color for me. And now I'm going to show you how to get this perfect red combo. I'm going to start off with the NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil in Train Blue. So I'm going in with Train Blue because I think it's a nice purple red and it's a lipstick, so it's really, really comfortable. So I'm just going to use it on my outer perimeters. And it just glides on so good. And a quick tip, if you want to powder your lip, you can actually just overline your lips, and I'm going to do that. So this is my favorite red, and it is the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain Liquid Lipstick in Always Red. And this is one of the most comfortable reds I own, and when you're eating throughout your parties, it will not budge. It will stay all night. You don't need to reapply, and really it'll stay until you take it off. And a quick tip when you have red lipstick on, to avoid it getting on your teeth, just go with any finger really and go, and you're good. Okay everyone, this is my finished look. Let me know down below what your favorite red is and what your favorite holiday combo is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Happy holidays everyone.